Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvani lo amathimba amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na so ngizoqala nje ngeStelis namhlanje umjida ke odlalela iStelis odlalela izintwana zaso iStelis umjida uthole iprofessional contract with yona iStelis umjida udlala esiswini bafethu and ke he was named as the best player of the reverse side yayo iStelis. Let's hope ke njoba nje esethole ke i-first team contract uzokwazi ke impress ucoach uGavin Hunt kwezinye indaba eziphumile ke bafethu ke uRoger Disanya khumbula kuRoger Disa he was part of the technical team yale eGhana njengoba bele ku World Cup umjida ubekhona amsho abantu abaningi bambonile ku TV evela esiza ucoach wani na wayo iGhana usebuyile ke right now sekwi Cape Town Spurs uzoserva as a technical director yayo iCape Town Spurs yabo umjida ke it looks like kwi-Cape Town Spurs kuningi anako asike asebenza kona because ngaphambilini if ukhumbula kahle vele ubekuyona iCape Town Spurs before ahamba eLeghana but ke ukubuya kwakhe maybe kusazothola isikhundla sokuthi ke abe ucoach njengoba nje eyiyona technical director asazi. Ezinye izindaba regarding iStelis kuthiwa ke iStelis i-announce i-defender elisha kuba na uku-surprise Nhlabathi umjida ke ubedlalela iBaroka FC. I spoke about this player recently ngasho ukuthi ke ufunwa yiyona iStelis but ke iStelis ke namhlanje ba-announcile umjida as their newest signing. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle kusona iStelis. Another player u-announcewe yiyona iStelis ubani na umjida odlala esiswini uGawugelo Ramushu umjida ke wayedlalela eKaizer Chiefs nePulukwane City umjida njengamanje nje uzodlalela sona iStelis. iStelis siyaqinisa lapha esiswini because siloke sidedela naku abadlali sebasayinile abazodlala kusona isisu saso. Let's hope umjida uzofike adlale kahle kuyona iStellenbosch. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu the former Betway Premiership goalkeeper umjida ke useyodlalela ini na useyodlala iJwaneng Galaxy. Niyazi ke iJwaneng Galaxy le club le edlala le eBotswana le club ke le isayine umdlalo bedlalela iOrbit College FC bamsayine nje on a 2-year contract ayodlala le eLesotho. iJwaneng akusiyona yaseBotswana yaseLesotho ngixolise nje kakhulu kwabalele Lesotho yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu ke iwinga igama lakhe uSifiso Mazibuko umjida ke usejoyine iGolden Arrows after leaving iUniversity of Pretoria amaTuks umjida ke sekwadlalela vele iChippa United before so nje ukhuza ibuya kuyona iBetway Premiership. Let's hope uzofike adlale kahle kuyona iGolden Arrows. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu ugoalkeeper uSidingo Nxumalo umjida kaseseyena ugoalkeeper weGomora United. Iclub webafethu idecide ukuthi ke imdedele bayolanda umdlali odlalela eKaizer Chiefs but ke bamlande on a loan from eKaizer Chiefs. It's either umdlali okubana okubonhle Molefe noma ke uTakalani Mazamba ogoalkeeper ke laba ongenzeka balona kuyona iGomora United. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kwabafethu ugoalkeeper uWandile Mthombeni umjida ke usezojoyina ini na uzojoyina iSwelele FC usuka kwini na usuka kwiReal Native okuyiclub ebibizwa ngeKaizer Stars esishintshwe igama nje einsukwini. Kwezinye futhi zindaba uManqoba Mnqithi ufuna umdlali amsayina esakwi Golden Arrows. Lo mdlali ke igama lakhe uOmar Komara umfuna nje le ku Young Africans ufuna azodlalela iYoung Africans. Currently umjida udlalela iGolden Arrows but ke it looks like iGolden Arrows they are selling these players and it's a good thing for iteam njengeGolden Arrows ke idayise abadlali bayo abaningi bazothola imali eningi kakhulu. iRevenue abazoyithola into enhle kakhulu esifuna ukuyibona kuma team amaningi ale ezansi but ke lento le let's hope ayibalimazi kakhulu ukuthi ke badayise their best players because lokhu badayisa their best players let's hope they are recruiting quality players who are going to replace those players. You may not find a quality player who is famous odlalela le big three but ke try to navigate throughout the whole league and find those players you see ukuthi ke laba badlala kahle. Maybe go to Stelis, maybe go to Sekhukhune, maybe go to your Durban City and find players there ozobasayina bazosiza team yakho ungayi ku-NFD kakhulu because you are going to kill your team. You see, you are going to destroy your team, so try to make the team strong. But again, it is a good signing from uManqoba. Let's hope the signing le izoba impumelelo ngempela. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iDurban City ifuna ukusayina umdlali oqhamuka le eRwanda oyiwinga. Lo mjida ke ngenzeka bamsayina nje kungekudala isizini vele siqalile but ke kungenzeka bam-announce nje kungekudala. Durban City ke sibonile announce abadlali abasha last week. Izindaba eziphumile izolo bafethu iFC Dallas iconfirmile ukuthi ke uNtsabeleng umdlali odlalela eMamelodi Sundowns obekwi loan from iFC Dallas useyijoyinile ngokuphelele iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns idecide ukuthi ke imgcine lo mjida. Mina ngokubona kwami I feel like it is a good signing from iMamelodi Sundowns because if you saw last season lo mjida lo ube nesizini ekahle kakhulu with iMamelodi Sundowns, even engayithola game time but bombona mengena ukuthi ke udlala kahle kakhulu. So it is a good signing from yona iMamelodi Sundowns. Let's hope uzolisebenzisa leli thuba akwazi ukuthi ke ashine and outshine labadlali abakhona lapha khona ke ezothola i-first team yabo starts each and every game, each and every game kulesa squad Sundowns esigcwele ida. Kwezizindaba eziphumile kwafethu uXolani Xosa umjidi usejoyine iGomora United from kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yabo bekuyilona from iKaizer Chiefs umjida uzojoyina inina iGomora United. Yabo ubele Botswana last season edlalela iBlack Lions. Njengamanje ke ula kwiBetway Premiership. Nothi kwiBetway Premiership kuNFD ngixolisa nje kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba kuyona inina kuyona iStellies, another player osayine icontract yakhe ye-first team ubani na uLuthando Vena umjida ke usayine benaye uKenan Johansson. So bobabili abajida bazodlala kwinina bazodlala kwi-first team saso iStellies kuyona le season leqalile. Bashayiwe kaMaZulu namhlanje asazi ukuthi ke bekwenzakalani but ke let's hope izinto ke izizosebenza ngempela. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile iStellies sisayine umdlali igama lakhe uqobo lwakhe Sibande umjida nje usebuya okwesibili kusona iStellies. Yabo it looks like umjida ke bamkhonze ngempela shuthi ke udlala kahle usebuya nje okwesibili. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iGolden Arrows ifuna ukusayina umdlali okubani na okuAaron Aknokyo angikwazi ukupronounce igama lakhe umjida ke ubedlalela iMarumo Gallants umjida una 20 years old. I recently spoke about lo mjida lo ukuthi ke ufunwa iyona iGolden Arrows. Golden Arrows kungekudala sobona ke evumbwa kuyona umjida ke iannouncewa iyona iGolden Arrows. Izinto engikhuluma ngazo ke lezi bafethu ukuthi ke kumele basayina abadlali abakhona vele kuyona iBetway Premiership. Let's hope ke umjida uzokwazi ke afike adlale kahle kuyona iGolden Arrows. Golden Arrows ke abathanda abadlali abaningi yabo abaqhamuka kulamazwe angaphandle, which is something good because maybe befika khona lapha bayakwazi ke ba-adapt. Sibabonile bafethu kweOsise, currently uSise udlala le Belgium ubekuyona iGolden Arrows ufike wa-adapta kanandi kubafana besithe. Kwezizindaba eziphumile kabafethu iDurban City announce ijezi layo elisha izodlala ngalo njengoba nilibona ke leli jezi leli ningalirate out of 10 ukuthi ke ijezi elinjani leli, ijezi ungalithenga noma ke ijezi ongeke uzothenga. It's a good jersey for me yabo. Loyo blue loyo urepresenta isibhakabhaka masike udark blue urepresente ulwandle laseThekwini yabo. Durban City phela kumele kucace ukuthi ke iDurban City ngempela ama blues lawo njwana elibona nje bafethu isibhakabhaka si white nabona amafu amhlophe nabona ama sleeves amhlophe. iDurban City kuhlezi kukliye, the sun is always shining. iDurban isibhakabhaka sihlezi blue. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu uPSL uzopartnerisha with uCanal ukuthi ke bastophe iPiracy yabo, hayi Pirates, iPiracy ukuthi ke abantu bastreame ibhola illegally. So muza ukuthi ke ustreama ibhola illegally ngempela uzoba nenkinga ngoba kuzofika abantu bazongqongqoza lapho, bazovala zonke izinto abantu ababuka kuzona. Mubuka ibhola online la ustreama khona ibhola ngempela ngathi ke lizovaleka njengamanje because uCanal Plus siyawazi inkampani yale phesheya. Lama companies aphesheya yakwazi ke avala ama sites amaningi but ke siyakwazi ukuthi ke siyibuke iPremier League noma ke bevalile, asazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Ningakhohlwa ukungifollowa ke Instagram ngiyatholakala nguVane Sports. Ngiyabonga.